So today I'm building a flyer for, I'm designing a flyer for a client. I've never designed a flyer before, so it's going to be quite an uphill task, but let's see if we can get it done. So this is the design that I intend to replicate to the best that I can. So what I'll do is I'll push it a little bit away from the artboard. Simply hold the spacebar, then click and drag. Then using the select, I'll push it to the side and hold the spacebar again and reposition my artboard so that I can quickly look at it as I work on designing what I'm designing. I feel like the artboard is a little bit thin, so anyway, we can still work with it like that. So what I love the most about designing is I really don't have to do it all on my own. If forever there's anything that I don't know, that I don't understand, I can quickly consult my AI. So in this case, I'm trying to find out like what's the best artboard dimensions for this, because I kind of don't trust what I currently have. So what I simply do is copy that. So I'll expand this a little bit. Holding by so when expanding it, I need it to expand symmetrically. So what I'll do, I'll simply hold down the shift button as I drag it. Okay, that's better. So we'll first of all start with getting the brand colors for my client. I'll duplicate these by holding the options button, then dragging, holding the options button, then dragging. If you're using a Windows, that will be the Alt button for you. Okay, so to get my clients brand colors, quickly go to their website. Then I use this tool. If you need the name of the tool, you can ask me to pinch the colors. Well, those are the two main colors. Maybe I can pinch a little bit of that. All right, and maybe the gray as well wouldn't be so bad. All right, so now we have the brand colors. Now we go on to the design. Now we get to the hard part. I think I'll start by doing the logo. So anytime I want to add anything onto the to my artboard, simply go to File, then Place. So I should be having the logo somewhere here, but in the event I can't find it. Okay, in the event I can't find it, I'll simply try and get it from that's it's a nice spot to have it. Okay. So to have the text, I'll come here, draw a section there, then paste what I want inside, go back, use the select tool, and increase the font size a little bit so that I can clearly see it. So to have a uniform brand, I need to confirm the font type that I had used, so we can have we can go with that. So that goes there. Right now I'm first of all just putting them, then I'll do the design a bit later. That there. What's going to really give me quite of a challenge is this, but let's see how good we are. So now that I have it ready, I'll add it in, something like that. Increase its size a little bit. I'm interested in getting this color, so let's see what we can do about it. There we go. So I need this on top of that. Yeah, I thought so. Nonetheless, what we can start by doing is there. Then I'll have to be a little bit creative. Now I'm only starting to realize something different. The blues don't quite match. Quite interesting. I'm still not quite sure what exactly I'm missing. So I'll release the clipper mask. Okay. Let's try that again. There we go. We have our perfect circle. Beautiful. So have it there. Then I'm going to need a second image. And right, let's see what we have here. Okay. All right. So to take care of that, what I'll do is, how will that still need a third image that goes down here, but I can say so far so good. I keep forgetting to take the measurements of that, so what I'll do is I'll release the mask. I'm more interested in that, so in order not to lose it, take away that. Then with this, increase the stroke a little bit. What do we have? Good. So I want to see if it fits well there. Yes, it does. So I take it back out. That's the color I want. All right. So now that we know the third image will go here, we can take that and that and group them as one. Beautiful. Take that together with that and group them as one. Beautiful. So now we can do something on this. Then I'll take that and group them together so that I can move them as one. Move them there to have a little bit space over there. Then for this, it'll come a little bit down. I'll need to have a QR code. Alright. So we can edit this a little bit. Maybe increase its size. Beautiful, exactly what I was looking for. All right, so sorry. I kind of felt like the pink here was shouting. I kind of felt like the pink was too much of a shouting color, but the mustard is a bit warm. So let's see. Not bad. So I need to also design a QR code for her, which I will later on. So I'll have the QR code coming. Where did our number go? Interesting. Anyway, I'll have the QR code coming down here. So what I can do for this to kind of like do away with that, let me try having it at the center. Beautiful. So the third image will come there. Then we'll have that, and we do the QR code a little bit down there, pushing this up just a little bit to create room for the QR code there. Then we can have our phone number coming back. I don't know where it disappeared to. So once you have it over there, you center it. And so far that's what we have. So we're missing two things. We are missing the third image here, and we're missing the QR code here. So the QR code that goes here is supposed to check any lead to a form that will now have the payment details, the class details, the Zoom link, and the time, date, like not the whole information goes here. Let me see if I can do something small with that. It's almost, let's see. right. So I think I'll do the same for these, but I'll first of all ungroup them. Let me see. This will leak into this, so I'll not touch that. I'll go with this. It's almost not there. Yeah, so I think the QR code will take me a little bit of quite some time to have it done, but don't worry, once I do it, I'll be right back here. So maybe I can do a bit of hunting on what goes here.